The first farm that I ever worked at, the farmer told us to, peel all this garlic and plant it. And so, we were about 6 hours into peeling these little cloves, and he came back and he was like, guys, I learned something today. Like, apparently you don't actually have to peel the garlic before you plant it. Garlic is the one thing that you can plant this late in the year. And basically we're planting bulbs. The reason we plant it now is if we plant earlier in the year, you'll get really quick sprouting that it's almost like it's growing a little bit too quickly for its own good with the temperatures and the season that's ahead. So they can get frosted and they're a little less hardy. So the copper nails that we use to finish the beds are for marking out the spacing. The small nails mark 6-inch spacing, and then the big nails are at the foot. So in the case of garlic, we like to do 6-inch spacing for full heads. And that's it. The main contribution of the straw is in keeping the soil from getting battered by winter rains and having that soil become compacted over time. It also will definitely provide insulation to kind of protect the microbial life in the soil. So in the spring, we will basically wait until we get a nice sunny stretch and actually feel that warm sun again, and that's when we'll go ahead and rake off the straw, send it to a compost pile, and then we'll add organic compost and fertilizer to replenish the nutrients that are needed. So in the case of garlic, they're going to grow vegetatively in the spring, and they're going to finally reach maturity and be able to be harvested for dry cured garlic like this around 4th of July.